So good day everyone. Today we will discuss the dimension of media and information literacy. So this topic is important because media and technology are already part of our daily lives. So the uses of this technology in communication, education and the social media. Through MIL, we learn how to become irresponsible, knowledgeable, and critical users of media and information. So, let's come now to the learning objectives. So, the first learning objective is explain the seven dimension of media and information literacy, or the MIL. Second is the show appreciation of importance of media and information literacy. So, next is a demonstration responsibly and in ethical ways using the digital and the media information. So, these objectives help the student to improve their knowledge and also the skills and technology and the communication. So next, let's come now to the next slides, which is what is media and information literacy. So the media information literacy, or MIL, is to the ability to access, understand, evaluate, and create information using media and digital tools. So it helps people think critically before believing or before sharing a information through online. So this MIL is important because many people today is rely on through social media, online platforms, and other information. Through MIL, people become more responsible and aware of how media affects um, the opinion of a person, communication, and also the daily life. So let's come now to the components of MIL. So the MIL, we have a three components. First is the information literacy, media literacy, and the digital literacy. So the information literacy is to ability to find, evaluate, and use a reliable information from different sources. The media literacy is focuses on understanding and analyzing the media content such as the news, advertisement, videos, and the social media posts. So lastly is the digital literacy. So this literacy is the responsible and effective use of gadget, application, and also the online platforms for communication, learning, and etc. So let's come now to the seven dimension of media literacy. So the seven dimension, according to Sapiro and Huge, there are seven dimension of MIL. This dimension help people improve their skills and knowledge using the technology and information responsibly. So each dimension focuses on the specific ability to related in the communication, media, and technology. So, mahalaga ang mga dimension na ito dahil ito po yung nagsisilbing guide ng isang tao to become a responsible and digital citizen. So, next, let's come now to the first literacy, which is the tool literacy. So, this is the ability to understand and use practical and conceptual tools of current information technology, including software, hardware, and multimedia that are relevant to education and the areas of work and professional skills. So, in the software, includes the application like PowerPoint, Canva, Google Classroom, and Microscope. So, the hardware includes the devices such as the laptop, smartphones, computers, and the printers. While multimedia includes videos, image, audio, and presentation used in communication and learning. So, the tool literate means being able to use technology tools correctly and effectively. A tool literate person knows how to operate digital tools and application properly. Skillful means mabilis ang isang tao na gumamit ng technology tools and digital platforms. So, knowledgeable means understanding the function and also the concept through technology. So, not just simply using it. The skills are very important because they help the person to become a productive, creative, and also responsible users. So next is the resource literacy. So the resource literacy is the ability to find and access and understand a reliable sources of information such as the books, websites, journals, and database, and also the articles. So these skills, it is important because not all information online is accurate and trustworthy. So a resources literate person know how to search a reliable information, and also a person literate is marunong mag-identify kung ano po yung mga credible sources na maaaring makatulong para po mas maiwasan ang mga misinformation through online. So, a resource literate person knows how to evaluate a information is reliable before using or sharing it. So they compare information from different sources and verify if the details are correct and accurate. So for example, hindi agad naniniwala sa social media hindi agad naniniwala sa social media posts without checking the fact or without checking official website or trusted sources first. So, these skills help people become responsible users and sharers information. So, next is the social structural literacy. So this is knowing how information is socially situated and produced fits into the life of groups about the institution and social network. So this literacy, understanding how information is created, organized, and shared in society and social media. So it helps people understand how media affects the communication, opinion, and relation. This research literacy is the ability to use technology tools and gathered a data. So conducting research and finding related studies online. So these skills are important especially for those students who use digital resources in academic world and also the research activities. So the next slides will be um, we will be discuss of Mr. Tanay. Thank you.